Welcome children. Assessment worksheet number 4, subject science, class 6. In first column you have to write your name, and in second column you have to write the name of your class teacher. Answer the following question. Name the major nutrients in our food. So major nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. B. Why should a meal have different food items? Different food items have different nutrients in them. That is why meal have different food items. C. If any food item gives blue-black color with iodine, then which nutrient is present in the food? A blue-black color with iodine indicates that food items contain starch, which is a carbohydrate. D. What is roughage? What is the main function of roughage? Roughage is also known as dietary fiber. Roughage is mainly provided by plant product in our food, and this helps our body get rid of undigested food. Next, E part. What are fats? Name some fat containing substances. Fats are nutrients found in the body. Food that contains fats are butter, oil, nuts, meat, fish and dairy product, etc. Next question. Write the function of water in our body. So what is the function of water in our body? First, water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Second, it helps in throwing out waste from body as urine and sweat. Third, it helps in maintaining body temperature. Your next question is, name the following name the nutrients which give energy to our body. Nutrients which give energy, carbohydrate and fat. The nutrients which is required for the growth and maintenance of our body, that is protein. Third, C, a mineral required for keeping our bone healthy. This mineral is calcium. Next question, define a balanced diet. What happens to a person who eats only rice and dal? Advise him some dietary plan. Balanced diet क्या होती है बच्चों? Diet which has all nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, and roughage is in right amount or in right proportion in order to maintain a healthy body. This is called balanced diet. A person who eats only rice and dal will not get all the nutrients and nutrients required for healthy body and may suffer from deficiency diseases. Healthy diet includes fruits, vegetables, pulses, nuts and whole grains, etc. Thanks for watching.